So this is the equation. This is the questions from the NCERT book CBSE class 11. So यहाँ पर क्या करना है, हम इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना है, इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व करना है. तो ये पहला क्वेश्चन है, इसको किस तरह से ग्राफिकल मेथड में सॉल्व करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले इसको हम स्ट्रिक्ट इक्वेशंस के लिख सकते हैं. लेट x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 5 करेंगे और x और y का पॉइंट्स निकालेंगे. यहाँ पर कोई भी दो पॉइंट्स निकालेंगे. यहाँ पर अगर if x is 0, so we get y is 5, and if x is 5, y we get here 0. So we are getting 2 points, this point as well as this point. Since here is less sign, so we join this with dotted lines. Now we have to shade in which way. We have to shade upper side or lower side. For that, let us take any point here, 0. Okay, then we put here. So we put here 0 plus 0, which is less than 5. It is satisfying. This point is satisfying this inequality. So we have to shade downward, and we shade in this way. So finally, x plus y is less than 5. X plus y is less than 5. So this is the equation of question number 1. Our next question is 2x plus y is greater than or equals to 6. Let here we get 2x plus y equals to 6. अब यहाँ पर क्या करना है, हमें दो पॉइंट निकालना है x, y. अगर x is 3, so 3 2 is 6, y equals to 0, and if x equals to 0, then y equals to 6. So these 2 points we are going to take. X equals to 3, 0, this is one of the point. Another one is 0 and 6. We have 0 and 6 is this point. So now joining this point, since here it is equals to, so we will draw a straight line passing through this way. No dotted lines, just like before. Now we have to see which side. This side we have to shade, or upper side we have to shade. We take 0 0 as a point, putting here 0, we get 0 plus 0 is greater than or equals to 6, which is not possible. That means what? We have to shade on the upper side. ऊपर की तरफ हमें shade करना है. And write down here next is let 3x plus 4y equals to 12, और इसका हम ग्राफ बनाएंगे x y. अगर x equals to 0 है, so y equals to 3, and if y equals to 3, if y equals to 3 equals 12, and if here 4, if we get x equals to 4, for this is 12. If x equals to 4, then for this is 12, y equals to 0. So we get this. So x equals to 0 and is this. So we get y equals to 4, x equals to 0, y equals to 3. We write down this point, and x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. So this point. Since यहाँ पर equals to sign is here, so we have to put a straight line passing through this point. Now we have to see that which side we have to shade. We will take here x, this point 0, so we are getting here 0 plus 0, which is less than or equals to 12. This statement is correct, so we have to shade in this lower position. And write this equation: 3x plus 4y is less than or equals to 12. So as usual, we will take here y plus 8 is equals to 2x. Here is x, y. So let us put x equals to 0, then y equals to minus 8, then x equals to 4, 4 to the 8, y equals to 0. So x equals to 0 means this, y equals to minus 8, so we draw here this position, and x equals to 4, x equals to 4, y equals to 0, so we do this. Now we can see that it is equal to sign here, so we straight away join in this way. Now we'll see here it is putting the line point 0 0 here, so we write 0 plus 8 is greater than equals to 0. This is true. That means what? We have to shade the points towards here, so we are shading the points this way. And writing the equation y plus 8 is greater than equals to 2x. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज x minus y is less than equals to 2. यहाँ पर हम लेट इसको लेंगे, तो इसका हम दो पॉइंट बनाएंगे यहाँ पर x y. अब x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2, and y equals to 0, we get x equals to 2. So when x equals to 0 like this, y equals to x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2. So this is the point, and when x equals to 2, y equals to 0, so this point. Now here it is equals to sign is here, so we draw a straight line. Now we try to see which portion we have to shade. Take this as 0, so writing here 0 minus 0 is less than equals to 2. That means what? This statement is correct, so we have to shade upper way, and write down here x minus y is less than equals to 2. There is one more in the equation, so we will take 2x minus 3y equals to 6, and we write here x y in this way. Suppose if x equals to 0, then y becomes minus 2, and if y becomes 0, then x equals to 3. So our points would have been in this point as well as this point, and since it is less, so we draw here only dotted line, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लेस साइन से बताया गया है, तो हम डॉटेड लाइन यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे, और हमें यहाँ पर दिखाना है कि शेड किस तरफ होना है. So we take this point 0 0, so we write here 0 minus 0 is greater than 6, which is wrong. So we have to shade in this way. बाहर की तरफ शेड करना है. Next inequality is y is less than minus 2. So if we write here x y, if x equals to 0, if x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2, if x equals to 1, y equals to minus 2. So we can draw the graph as, since it is less, so we have to draw the dotted line. Now regarding the shading portion, what we have to do is put this point in this equation. So we write here 0 is less than minus 2, which is wrong. So our shading should be in this part. Let x equals to minus 3, we draw 2 points x and y. Y equals to 0, minus 3, y equals to 1, minus 3, y equals to 2, minus 3. So points would be in this way, this dotted line, and here it is dotted line and it is greater. So let us put this point over here. So we get 0 is greater than minus 3. Okay, 0 is greater than minus 3. Yes, so this statement is correct. So it would point, the graph would be in this way. Please be with this channel, YouTube channel, subscribe it, and I am there for your class 11, 12 in maths. So do subscribe Golden Horizons Academy.